All right, here we go again, guys, for another edition of Snack Stick March. Okay, today we are going to make moose salami sticks. Okay, this is for my guy that doesn't like spicy stuff, you know what I mean? Hold on, I gotta get my little Scooby Scoops. There we go. So, what we are going to do is make like a salami, but in a snack stick, so it'll be fully cooked, and be able to go. Now we're doing 3 kilos, so it calls for 15 salt, so I'll need 45. And then, oh, so close, so close. There we go. Okay, so 45. I need pepper of just 1.5. I don't even have pepper. Only 1.5 pepper. Boy, that's not going to be very peppery at all. Where is the pepper? Right in front of me face. So 1.5 pepper is 4.5, right? Because I'm doing it 3 times. Oh, almost there. Wish I had my scale from outside. It's much better than the halves and the points, it goes down to the 0.00. Okay, so we've got that. Now sugar, 3 grams, like just plain old white sugar. 3 grams, so we're going to need 9 of that. But sugar's heavy. Half a tablespoon, maybe? For 9? Ooh. Okay. Mustard powder, 3 grams. So we're going to need 9 of that. That's as much as the sugar. Oh, I guess, okay, so you got mustard powder, mustard seed, coriander, garlic. Everything's going to be layering upon everything else. Okay, mustard seed of 3. 6, 8. Just over a tablespoon. There we go. For 3 kilograms, of course. Okay, that. Then we got mustard seed of 3. Oh, yeah, because that'll be in the, it'll like pop up in there and you'll have a little bitey bite. This is kind of looking cool, not gonna lie. Remember the chicken one we did? Oh, did it turn out like whole? But the cool thing is about it is the green peppers. Or no, the sweet peppers that we had in there. Pepper. Woo. Okay. Yeah. So the sweet peppers we had in there. Wow. That's it. Okay. I'm done. The peppers we had in there just gives you a good crunch and everything else. Okay. Mustard seed, coriander. You can tell by all my sour cream containers and everything else that I'm getting everything from outside again. Got to go into my major supplies. So 2, so I need 6 in total. Ooh, you can really smell like coriander. It's kind of cool. There we are. 6 coriander. Garlic, 1. But I'm a garlic guy, so I'm going to go 2. So that'll be 6 garlic. There we are. And of course, the cure of 3 per, so, 3 grams per kilogram, the law. There we are. Now, I was going to put SE in it tonight, but I don't think so, because I don't think I'll be smoking it until tomorrow night, so that'll be fine. And then we got to go binder. It wants 10 grams. So that's going to be 30 grams of binder. There we go. Okay, so we've got salt, pepper, sugar, mustard powder, mustard seed, coriander, garlic, cure, binder, and then we need water of, now it says to add 10% or 10 grams of beef beef broth. broth, so hold on a second. I think I might have some. I do believe I thought I had some here. That's sriracha. I don't think we'd want to do that, although that'd make one hell of a good stick. Okay, I guess I do not have any beef broth. Here, I thought I did. Okay, so we'll skip the beef broth. We'll just go straight with the water. Okay? So here's all my dry ingredients. Into the pail. There we are. And 100 water, cold, non-chlorinated water. We'll have 300 grams because we're 3 kilograms. And ta-da! Bada boom. Okay. This is the watery mix. Right, you see the seasonings and the meat in there. I'm going to put it on the mixer. We'll see how it goes. So just give me a minute, guys. I'll be right back. I'm just going to throw it on the mixer. Okay, see you in about a minute. Okay, I don't know how much of that got into there, but okay. So the flavor is really good. Like I said, I would have it. So I'm going to take these guys that have got 3 big rounds here. Try this, and I think this is just a beautiful bite. You can see the mustard seed in there. It's very beautiful. Here, I'll bring a piece up to here. I don't know if you can see that. I do not have the best camera. I'm not going to lie. Okay, try this. That help a bit? There we go. Okay, well, it's got great water content, great juice content, great fat content. Not too high, probably it'll run into 11, 13%. Really nice. With a touch of mustard, we'll see it out, even though it has all that mustard in it, eh? Okay. Hit it with the mustard, let's see. Get my palate cleansed. Okay. Winner, winner. Salami snack stick. Not a dinner. Okay. 3 big rounds, 2 little guys. The puck, fantastic. Taste, fantastic. Everything's really rolling. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll take these outside, put them on the rails for the smoker, and then I will take them out and I will smoke them in a hickory mesquite. I'll do 50-50 hickory mesquite wood chips. I use pellets because I use my Smoke Daddy, that tube. And I'll take them up to an internal of 160. That'll kill any bad stuff, but although the cure in it right now, you can probably leave it in your front porch for a week. But that'll kill anything and get it right up to temperature and be a fully cooked snack stick, which is what we're after. And then if you had a little bit of mustard or even a honey mustard, honey mustard dip would be rocking. So if we did even a honey mustard dip, that would be fantastic. So, okay, this is salami snack sticks, guys. Moose salami snack sticks. Winner, winner. Snack stick, not a dinner. This is just a mix made by myself. You can pick up everything at your local grocery store. Quick and easy to make. You don't have to do it with moose. I think this will work with beef, moose, venison, straight pork. I don't know. You know what? We'll have to try it with chicken maybe when chicken season comes around. But on that note, okay, so I'm just digressing here. Okay, so this is another installment of Snack Stick March, brought to you by AskTodd. French's, the best mustard out there. Not sponsored by French's, but I'm just saying, it's the best, man. And it goes really, in fact, you know what? I'll just, I mean, while we're talking, this isn't, between friends, right? Between friends. Has a mustard on it. See, I'm going to bring it in to the close-up, the French's mustard close-up. There we go. Yes, has the mustard on it. Very nice. And now the close-up goes to me, putting it in my face. Okay, this reason I know you like those seasoning packets. Well, sometimes homemade is the best way, and this is damn good. Okay, salami snack sticks. Who'd have thought? You guys have a great week. If you try it, let me know. If you try it and modify it, let me know. If you try something else, let me know. Just let me know. I love the comments. Love the new subscribers. Thank you very much for coming to AskTodd. I appreciate it. And we will get this on the go. And I'll see you next week with another run. And we are going to do, by request, sweet heat. Again, this recipe is going to be straight pork. It is the sweet and spicy Thai recipe from Duncan Henry, which is from Olds College, slightly modified. And then I modified it just a little bit. That is next week, and it's going to be awesome. All right. And yes, we have char burgers coming up. I'm going to do a barbecue char burger for the special somebody out there who has requested it. I don't know if I'll be able to put it out on the grill, but it's warming up enough. I just might be able to do it. And I'm going to do that. And I'll do that as soon as April hits. That'll be the first April release is going to be the char burger. I'll make burgers for everybody. It'll be awesome. It will be awesome. Okay, so on that note, guys, have a great day. Have a great week. I'll see you next week. Keep tuning in. Let me know what you think of these things. Let me know when you try them. All right. This is Todd from AskTodd. Smiling.